Yes, good afternoon, students. Welcome to the series of lesson number 6 Changes Around Us, part 2. Yes, beta, first of all, take a paper into your hand. All of the students, yes, please take a paper into your hand. Be fast, quickly. What now, today, what we are going to do, you see. First, take a paper. Have you taken? Very good, very good. Now, fold it and form a boat. Start forming a boat from this piece of paper. Yes, have you formed boat from the paper? Yes, now unfold it. Unfold. Again, you have to open back this boat into the paper. Now unfold it. Have you unfold? Now after unfolding, beta, what do you get? Yes, ma'am, we have got again the paper. Very good. So it means it is a reversible change, as the original paper can be obtained back by unfolding the paper, because you have again obtained the original paper. But you have to keep in mind, beta, it means you have not get back any new substance. Earlier also paper was there. After unfolding, again you have got the paper. So what kind of change it is? Think about it. What kind of change it is? Yes, beta. Based on whether a change leads to formation of a new substance or not. Changes can be grouped as physical change and chemical change. Now, physical change. Can you define physical change? Yes, ma'am. Yes, define. A change in which only the physical properties of a substance get changed. Only physical properties. Physical property means either you can say states of the matter change from liquid to solid gas, okay, or shape change, okay. Then physical properties of a substance get changed and no new substance is formed. Then it is known as physical change. Can you give me some example? Yes, give me. Melting of wax. How melting of wax is a physical change? Because it only changes the state of wax from solid to liquid. Only melting take place. No new substance. Earlier also wax and later on also wax. Only state. Earlier liquid, then solid. No new product is formed. In the same way, you can think tearing of paper, breaking of glass, freezing of water, folding of paper. If you will see all these examples, then you will find out that in all these examples there is no new substance is formed. As folding of a paper, as no new substance is formed, as the original paper can be obtained back by unfolding the paper. Yes, now tearing of paper. You take a paper into your hand and tear it. Only what you have got? You have got the torn pieces of paper. But paper is there, paper. No new substance is formed. Only shape is changed. Okay, so now physical change can be reversible or irreversible. How? When you will turn the paper into pieces, then you can get back the original paper back. Although it can be reconstructed from the torn pieces of paper, but you can't get back the same original paper. So it is an irreversible change. So now what we will say, a physical change can be reversible or irreversible, because tearing of paper, if we have torn the paper into tiny pieces of paper, then we can't get back the from those very tiny pieces of paper into the original piece of paper. That is why uh, physical change can be reversible or irreversible. Okay, beta. Now see, now we will do one more activity. You are ready? Yes, ma'am, we are ready. Then what you can do? You can take a candle into your hand. You have taken candle into your hand. Now be careful about this. Now you have to lit the candle, burn the candle. Burn the candle. Now what you are observing when burning of candle take place, what you are observing? Tell me, Chuck. Yes, ma'am, we are observing wax is melting. Earlier it was in solid form, solid candle, and now it is going, it starts melting. First change you have observed. Yes, very good, very good. Second change. Yes, ma'am. When the candle is burning, then you have got heat. If you will keep your hands near the candle, you will feel hotness, and then light you are getting. Then black particles, small particles are there that you are getting. It means you are getting too many new substances. So what do you call this kind of change in which a new substances are formed? Yes, chemical change. So how you can define this chemical change? A change in which a new substance is formed and the properties of both substances change is called a chemical change. Is called a chemical change. As burning of paper you can take. Paper changes into ash. Ash is different from the paper. New product, heat and light are also produced, and this ash we can't get back into the paper also. So it is an irreversible change because we can't get back the ash from the ash into the paper. So it is an irreversible change, permanent change. If we have got ash, then it is permanent change. It is not temporary change कि we will change ash into paper by any technique. No, it is a permanent change. Other example you can think, cooking of food. If you have cooked the food, suppose you have prepared too much vegetables and too much vegetable left, then what you can do? You can only keep it in the refrigerator, but you can't convert into the raw vegetable. So cooking of food is also a irreversible change. If the vegetable has been cooked, if the food has been cooked, it can't be converted into the raw food. And it is in chemical change also because totally new substance you have got. Okay. Now in some example, if we will see both kind of change, physical and chemical change occur. If we will see burning of candle, first wax starts melting. So do you think if all the molten wax is collected and reshaped into a candle, then what we will get? We will get the candle of the same size. But if we will burn the candle, then chemical change occur. Then we can't get back. After some burning, if we will collect the wax, then we can't get back the wax, equal quantity of wax we can't get back. Okay, then where that wax has gone? It means that wax vaporizes near the candle flame due to heating, and the vapors of the wax burn to produce new substance. What are those new substance? Carbon dioxide, water vapor, soot, heat and light. So beta, when a candle burns, it means both physical and chemical changes occur. Okay, understand? if we will ask from you melting of wax, then it is a physical change. But burning of wax, it is a chemical change. Clear? Yes, beta. Okay. Now watch the video again and again, twice or thrice, and very easy topic. And then you have to speak yourself whether you are get my point or not. What is physical change, what is chemical change, examples, how burning of paper is a chemical change, or how melting of wax is a physical change, whether burning of wax is a chemical change. That's all, beta. Thank